polished eye. Yeah, this is just painting tube. And I got a sketch. This is the kitty head back. This character. I wanna make this nose with this bead part. So I wanna choose the eye, which section I will make for sure. I wanna do this second one, and I'm gonna show the ear and the mouth, and yeah, this is for pouch bag, and I'm gonna make some strap with PVC later. Yeah, you know the PVC. I just got the rest of PVC fabric. This is, it's a little bit thin, but the thin enough for making bag. So I just simulate it with the paper. I'm gonna just rotate this thing around his head, and I'm gonna make ears, I'm gonna make nose, and I'm gonna make his cheek. Yeah, the fur and the strap. So see you in next video. Bye.